Alright, today I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update. I did get some interior mods done. I got the wireless charger and the updated, I don't know what you call this, center console where it lights up, and then an updated screen. Now, I will leave these linked in the bio down below, as well as the person that actually installed them was Go Garage Auto on Instagram. It's really good. If you're in Arizona, he will come to you and work on your car. So he'll do basically almost anything. He's really good at it. He's part of the drift scene here. He's a good guy, and I've known him for a long time. Finally got to meet him in person, but he did a phenomenal job. We got everything working real nice, and I love it. The interior upgrade is perfect. It modernizes the interior really well. We do have some carbon bits we're gonna do, like on the dash, doors, vents, center console here. It's going to be updated. The silver is really tacky in my opinion, and carbon fiber is going to look really good. So we're going to do some stuff to the steering wheel. Got a little piece for the center just to kind of update it a little bit more. I do want to do some ambient lighting like across here on the doors. I know the doors have it, but it's not very bright, so I want it a little bit brighter. And I just ignore the mess. Alright, I just wanted to come in here and give you guys a little update. I know this video is going to be short, but I at least wanted to tell you guys, what's going on. I do have some plans for the outside of the car, so I don't know if I want to say it yet, but I'm going to try to get a few sponsorships in the meantime. See if we can do it, because my last car build, the Genesis Coupe, I'll put a photo right here. I was sponsored on that build, and it went well. I messed up the motor, kind of blew it, and then sold the car. So we'll do this one a little bit better than that one. I don't know if I want to say the plans. I might in the next video. We're going to try to be a little more consistent as well. I'm kind of trying to get this going. I want to take it more seriously and get you guys some more content. Maybe some driving videos eventually. Kind of want to get a GoPro and do that. I do want to do some live streaming. I love racing games, so racing is super fun to me. So maybe do some live streams and some shorts for that. And then we have, again, tons of carbon bits for the interior, so we can add those. I'm not really going to show an install because it's kind of boring. I don't know, or unless you guys want to see it, but I feel like it's not very entertaining, so just let me know. And then I also want to do some photography, I guess, vlogs, because I don't know if you guys know, I'm a photographer. I've been doing it for quite a while. Nothing really super professional. I've been published here and there, I think in a magazine and then a couple websites and whatnot, so nothing too serious, but I would like to go out and kind of just show you my process of shooting and then editing. I think that would be super fun. But again, I need to get a GoPro. I have the camera set up and everything, so just let me know what you guys want to see. If you have any comments of how I can make these kind of vlog style-ish videos better, let me know. But until then, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.